You are welcome to Jonathan online class. Quickly, we have a task on the board. Let us solve this thing quickly. We are asked to find the value of x. Anywhere? We are asked to find x. Find x. That's the question. We have that 1 plus square root of, that's the root of 2x plus 1 is equal to x. So let us find the value of x. This is very simple. So the first thing you do is take this now, cross it over to this place. When you cross over to this place, it becomes, when this one goes over to this place, it becomes what? Minus. So we have that square root of 2x plus 1 will be equal to x. This one come over here, minus 1. This is what we have now. Then at this point, we now remember to take the square of the both sides, because opposite of square root is square. So take square of both sides. That will give you this. Take square of both sides. Take square of both sides. So this goes against this. We are left with 2x plus 1 is equal to, we now expand this. When we expand x minus 1 squared, you have x minus 1 into x minus 1. That's what you have here. At this point, x times I have x squared minus x, that is x times x times minus 1. Then here, this time this have minus x, minus times minus plus 1, leaving us with x squared minus 2x plus 1. So when we take this here, that means we have here x squared minus 2x plus 1. At this point, we move this over to this place. When we move this all over to this place, what we have is 0 is equal to x squared minus 2x. Then when this one comes over here, it becomes what? Minus 2x as well. Then plus 1. When this plus 1 comes over here, it becomes what? Minus 1. That's what we have by collecting like term and taking them all over here. So here we have that 0 is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 2x. We have minus 4x. Minus 4x plus 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So this is what we are left with. Then quickly we finish it up here. Having this is quadratic in nature, as we can see it there. Having this, we simply do this. That implies that x, we have that x squared, we have here that x squared. Then for this, we can factorize. So we can factorize this. First, factorizing this, we have that 0 is equal to, when you factorize, 0 is equal to x bracket x minus 2 minus 4. So when you factorize, you have this, because x times x is x squared, x times minus 4, you have what? Minus 4x. So when we continue here, we now have that x is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to what? 0. When you separate both of them. So that will give you x is equal to what? 4. So that is it. That's our answer. So our answer is that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to what? 4. Correct. So with this, I believe you can simply solve this kind of word question without stress using quadratic word formula. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so. When you do that, kindly share it to all math lovers and to